Harpreet. I am doing second level in Baba Smart Genius Abacus and Chess Academy.
My name is Ritika. I am in third level at Baba Smart Abacus and Chess Academy.
Very good. Now mental arithmetic 5 sums. Okay, first one 7, 8, less 8, 4, 7 got.
18.
Very good. Second one 8, 9, 2, 6, 4 got.
29.
Very good, Kana. Third one 4, 2, 3, 6, 7 got.
22.
22.
Very good. Next 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 got.
22.
Very good, Kana. Last one 5, 2, 9, 6, 7 got.
29.
29 is the correct answer.